kitchen. Mom, say hi.
Hello everyone. Zayn is going to show us how to make Muzaffar. So let's start.
Boil 4 cups of milk.
To the boiling milk, add
1 piece of each clove and cinnamon. And 6 cardamom.
next
Add 1 cup of soaked Zira Samba rice. This is really tiny aromatic rice. Friends, after adding rice, give it a quick mix. If you skip this step, the rice will clump up. Now add quarter teaspoon of saffron. Give it a mix. Keep the flame on low. Close the lid and cook until the rice becomes soft. Check on the rice every 10 minutes. Okay friends, the rice is all cooked. My mom is showing you how soft the rice is.
Okay friends, now add in 2 cups of boiled half and half. I have boiled half and half to speed up the process. If khoya is available, then add 1 cup of khoya instead of half and half.
Simmer this on low flame until this thickens up. Okay friends, this has thickened up. Now add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Keep stirring.
Simmer this on very low flame until it thickens up again. Okay friends, this has thickened up. Now let's fry the nuts. Few chopped pistachios and almonds.
My mom is gonna fry the nuts now. In a preheated pan, add little ghee. After the ghee heats up, add almonds and fry them. They are fried, remove them now. In the same ghee, add in pistachios. Fry them. These are ready. Let's serve the Muzaffar.
Friends, if you want, you can add all the nuts in the Muzaffar now. I'm going to add the nuts before serving because I want them to remain crunchy.
Okay friends, Muzaffar is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.
Thank you for watching friends. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.
Bye friends.